What if I told you that 5 free AI tools are already replacing full-time jobs, and no one's even noticing? These tools are fast, accurate, and completely free. If you're not using them, you're already behind. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that are quietly automating the work of designers, writers, editors, researchers, and marketers. And here's the twist. They're all free. Let's get into it. Tool number 1, Gamma.app. Imagine creating a full presentation in minutes without opening PowerPoint or dragging boxes around. Gamma uses AI to turn your ideas into polished slides, complete with layouts, graphics, and even suggested content. You just describe what you want, and Gamma builds it for you, ready to present or share instantly. Whether you're a manager, a teacher, a content strategist, or a startup founder, this tool replaces hours of slide design. And the best part? You don't need any design experience. Tool number 2, ChatGPT with custom GPTs. This isn't just a chatbot, it's a full-blown assistant, content creator, and researcher in one. With custom GPTs, you can build specialized versions of ChatGPT trained to perform specific tasks, from writing SEO-optimized blog posts to managing email responses, creating content calendars, or summarizing complex research. You don't need coding skills. Just give it instructions and the AI adapts. This tool alone could replace multiple roles in a small business, and it works 24/7 without coffee breaks or sick days. Tool number 3, Kittl. If you've ever spent hours designing logos, social media posts, or product labels, this tool is for you. Kittl gives you access to hundreds of AI-enhanced templates that you can customize with just a few clicks. It combines drag-and-drop simplicity with professional quality output. Whether you're running a YouTube channel, an online store, or building a brand, Kittl replaces the need for a full-time designer or expensive software like Adobe Illustrator. And yes, the free version is powerful enough for most use cases. Tool number 4, Tome.app. Presentations are no longer just slides, they're stories. Tome uses AI to transform your ideas into visual, narrative-driven documents. It adds structure, suggests content, designs layouts, and even brings in relevant media. It's ideal for startup founders pitching ideas, creatives building portfolios, or teams that want to communicate complex messages simply. Unlike traditional slide tools, Tome is interactive, sleek, and built to tell a story, not just show bullet points. This is storytelling reimagined with artificial intelligence. Tool number 5, Opus Clip. If you've ever tried to edit long videos into TikToks or YouTube Shorts, you know how time-consuming it can be. Opus Clip changes that. You upload your video, and it uses AI to detect the most engaging moments, adds captions, highlights keywords, and reframes the aspect ratio automatically. The result? Dozens of high-impact short videos from a single recording, ready to publish on multiple platforms. For content creators and marketers, this is like having a personal video editor, one that works at lightning speed. These tools don't just speed things up, they're changing how work is done. Jobs that used to take teams of people are now automated by AI in minutes and for free. If any of these tools surprised you, that's a sign you're not late. But you don't want to wait. Subscribe to ZeroKit AI and let's explore the future one tool at a time. Use the tools, don't get replaced by them. If you found even one of these tools useful, give this video a like. It really helps the channel grow. Let me know in the comments which tool impressed you the most or which one you're going to try first. And if you want more free AI tools and weekly insights, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching. This is ZeroKit AI.